Drug boys steady shooting. The streets don't give a damn. They're filled with such pollution. The kids don't stand a chance. We're trapped inside the matrix, forced to play our hand. We're filled with so much hatred. The kids don't stand a chance. I said the kids don't stand, the kids don't stand a chance. I said the kids don't stand, the kids don't stand a chance. Well, since I was planted at birth, I abandoned my old planet and I landed on Earth. As a kid I never understood what I observed, and some of it was strange, but most of it disturbed me. Always in detention for the lack of my attention. You can call it deficit. Really, I just didn't listen, and I was always missing. The teachers like, where is Bobby Simmons? But trying to get a record deal is all I